Hi, my name is Me2Win, and I'm a student at UC Berkeley. This is my 11th YouTube video assignment for IOR 190G, which is a patent engineering course at UC Berkeley. In this video, I will be discussing the recent deal made between Microsoft and AOL, as well as the implications of this deal for the wider smartphone patent war. So last week, Microsoft agreed to pay more than $1 billion for 800 patents held by AOL. This amounts to more than $1 million per patent, and this shows how important acquiring patents are in today's smartphone patent war. Among the large group of patents that Microsoft acquired are patents involving search, email, instant messaging, and custom online advertisements. In particular, some very important and crucial patents that they acquired. The first one is the Secure Sockets Layer patent, or SSL, which is basically an encryption that's used in every internet financial transaction anywhere in the world. So that's extremely important. Some other patents involve cookies, and cookies is basically how the computer records text strings onto the computer, and so this is extremely important for advertising, e-commerce, and just logging on to any website. So this is also an extremely important patent to acquire. This deal between Microsoft and AOL comes in the midst of many other large patent deals. For example, last month, Facebook bought 750 patents from IBM, and Google paid $12.5 billion in August in order to acquire Motorola Mobility, as well as its 17,000 patents. So this deal, although very major, is not surprising and is simply a trend in today's smartphone patent war. So from this recent deal between Microsoft and AOL, we can see that Microsoft is continuing basically the same strategy that it's been undertaking during the entire smartphone patent war. Basically what they're doing is trying to acquire a larger library of patents in order to have a stronger base to leverage off against other companies and create these sort of licensing deals and get fees, because that's basically how they're getting their income nowadays. Their products aren't necessarily that successful in the market, and so the main way that they can get income is by getting these fees from other companies that actually have strong products in the market. Another thing to think about is, so in the 800 patents that Microsoft acquired from AOL, there are some pretty important patents that I pointed out before, such as for SSL and cookies. And so these features are really integral to our use of the internet and to like the e-commerce market and just basically everything that has to do with the internet. And so it will be interesting to see whether Microsoft leverages these patents and tries to get fees out of it, because if they do, that will have very strong effects on us as consumers or as users of the internet. So that's all I have for now. Thank you for listening.